What is a chart of accounts? A chart of accounts is a complete list of every account in an organization's general ledger. It organizes finances into 5 main categories: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. In plain English, think of it as a filing cabinet for your business's money. Every type of income, expense, asset, or liability gets its own clearly labeled folder, keeping all your financial records organized in one place. Why does this matter? First, it provides a clear, structured view of your company's financial health. Second, it ensures consistency in recording transactions across your business. And third, it makes preparing financial statements and tax returns much simpler. Thanks for watching, and find out more at finglo.app.